Good morning, traders. Welcome. It's the 30th of November, Monday the 30th, and it's Richard Miller doing Artificial Intelligence Trading, AI Traders Live webinar. And in this morning's webinar, we're going to look at trading ideas in the NASDAQ 100 index constituent members. So I'm going to run the AI, and we're going to be looking for four artificial intelligence trading signals: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick moves. Now, if we look at the AI for the NASDAQ 100, just the index itself, we've had a fantastic rebound trade back here in March, which lasted quite long. The AI then got out around about the 11,500, 600 zone there. Another short-term swing trade opportunity came along, and the AI recommended an exit in and around these levels. So it did capture a small move recently, but you could argue that you technically can still be long with a trailing stop in and around these levels. But it's critical for the market to get past these old high resistance zones. But it will be interesting to see if that's going to happen. Look at the 4-hour chart of the NASDAQ itself. If this will come through, you can see we've had quite a lot of nice swing trades based on the 4-hour chart as well for the NASDAQ. Quick volatility breakout. The AI recommends being out of this trade, so did not participate in the most recent big move up. But nevertheless, very profitable trading strategy based on artificial intelligence. But let's go and scan for the NASDAQ constituent stocks. I'm going to load the Explorer, select the Fulgent AI, and I'm going to select the artificial intelligence, the engine. I've got that selected, and I'm going to select the the NASDAQ 100 stocks constituents. Let me just see where there we go, NASDAQ 100, and I need to make sure I've got nothing else selected. Yeah, there we go. So we're going to start the exploration. Is going to look for those four artificial intelligence trading ideas, these four strategies based on AI, and I'm going to pause it here now until we've got the scan done, and then I'll be back. And we're back. The AI is now screened the NASDAQ 100 constituent stocks, and there's 75 rejects, which indicates that the AI didn't find most recent signals there. And there's 28 positions, long or short, that the AI has identified. Now, in the column headings here, I can see in, long, in short, these are recent, most recent signals. In long, in short, these are where the signals fired some time ago, and that tells you how many bars ago, how old is that particular trade signal generated by the AI. We can see Amazon in a long 16 bars into a trade. So that's panned out nicely. Sorry, Amazon, not you, a different Amazon. The shares. Amazon Alexa is talking to me in the background. Yeah. Volatility breakout. You can see we had a nice swing trade on that. The stop loss there is 2963. So this trade should last into the year end, I would think. Amgen just fired a signal. We can see major reversal coming in Amgen, so that's good. So I'm going to sort these by all the longs. You can see Amgen is the most recent signal, and if we want to look at for more of some of the ones that recently fired, we're going to look here, scroll down, quite a lot of shorts, oddly enough, so there's a lot of profit taking going on in the index. Few shorts. Ultra Beauty is the long one, 13 days into a trade. So Amgen is the only one that's recently fired, and we can see Ultra Beauty, swing trade, still in along. That one's moving nicely. Autodesk, 15 days into a trade. Volatility breakout, that one's working out nicely. You just need to update your trailing stop with these, but the AI caught these beautiful swing trades there. Another one there. Stop loss in CDW is around about there we go, 128. So yeah, quite a lot of Citrix, also a lot of stocks. Trades about 2 weeks old, a week or 2 weeks old. We did cover them in the previous webinar last week, looking at the NASDAQ 100, but at this stage Amgen seems to be the most powerful one. in terms of a long where it's just a fresh major reversal signal. So we'll see how that one pans out. But as for the rest, some really fantastic trade. NXP and Broadcom has been in it for a very long time, and those are working out beautifully so far. Keep going higher. Broadcom, NXP, Broadcom's also been a fantastic long, and it's just been giving chucking off the profits as we're going along. ADP has also been in a trade for a while. You can see also quite a long trade. Your stop loss there is a trailing stop that moves up to that 166. Biopharma, Take Two, all. Tesla, incidentally, also in a nice trade there. You can see the AI core Tesla swing trade, beautiful move here. Core Tesla swing trade is still in a long, so we'll see your stop loss now is that level there is 500 something. I just can't quite get the AI to identify that field there, but you can see there the stop loss is in and around that level there. High 526, around about there is your trailing stop loss. So the AI did capture the most recent move beautifully, and as well as a few other major moves. Apple also still in a trade. So there's quite a couple of good quality long stocks: Apple, eBay, Netflix, Comcast, Dexcon, all still in longs. You can see look at this list for all the longs. So most recent ones, you can see Amgen is one, then it's Adobe, Nvidia, and DocuSign. There's short positions there. So, but as for the rest of the longs, Ultra, Citrix, Liberty, Amazon, Monster Beverages, PayPal, all couple of days, a week or two into a trade, and then the long-term trades are at the bottom here. So far so good. Keep an eye on Amgen to see how it's going to perform this coming week. And for anybody interested in getting your own AI, you can get a great deal on medax.com/alpha-harvest 3 for 1 for a great deal on the platform and the AI, and for a good long-term pricing deal, medax.com/alpha-harvest F if you just need the AI. Right, until next time, happy AI trading.